Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login It. In this video, I will guide you on how to confirm email address on People. So if you want to confirm email address on People, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, open any browser of your choice. Here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type www.paypal.com. Press enter. Now you can see here you're led to the official website of PayPal. Here you have to log into your account. Click on the login button that you can see over here. Now here you'll have to enter your email address and your password. Here you can see my email address is already written over here. All I have to do is enter the password. Now after entering the password, click on login button over here. Now you can see here you're logged into your account. After you're logged into your account, look at the top right corner and here you can see three options, one for notification, one for settings and one for log out. All you have to do is click on the settings option. Now you can see settings option is opened over here. Here you can see options for emails, phone numbers and addresses. If you want to verify the email, look at the email section and here you can see your email. If your email is not verified, here you can see option for edit and verify. All you have to do is click on the verify option. Since my email address is already verified, I will show you by adding a new email address. In order to add the new email address, all you have to do is click on add. Let me enter my email address. Now click on confirm. Now here you can see two options, confirm with Google and email a code instead. You can verify your email through any option that you want. Here I'm going to click on email a code instead. Now they will send you a code to your email address. All you have to do is open your email, go to the browser of your choice. Depending on the browser, you can open Gmail through various processes. In Google, you can simply click on this Gmail option over here. Now here you can see the verification code. Scroll down, memorize this code and enter it over here. Now you can see here the email address is verified. So that is how you verify email address on PayPal. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.